Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be reviewing the Apple wireless charging case for AirPods. So I think Apple have done a good job with these AirPods. They've definitely improved some things. The most obvious thing they've changed, if you compare the original AirPods case with the new case, is the LED light on the front. They've moved that from the inside of the case to the outside, as you can see there. And the second most major change they've done is improve the hinge. So on the old case, you could wobble the lid around and it could really move around a lot. But the new case, they've improved the hinge. It's more sturdier, so there's none of that anymore. It's just perfect. So guys, some of you are probably wondering, should I buy this case? And my answer is, if you have the original AirPods, yes, definitely sell your case and buy this new case. You can sell it for around $100 and then you can pay for $29 of it for the wireless charging feature. I know it might be a little on the pricey side, but it's definitely worth for that freedom to not have to plug the case in to charge it every single time. But guys, if you have never bought AirPods before, I would definitely say buy the AirPods 2 with the charging case, not the wireless charging case. $319 is way too much for headphones. Apple have definitely overpriced that, and I don't think they'll get many sales on that. But it's Apple, you know, people buy all their stuff, and they're probably going to make millions from that product. Anyway guys, I hope this review has made you decide if you're going to buy the wireless charging case or not buy it. As I said before, if you own the original AirPods, sell your case on eBay. I sold mine for $80, but I reckon you could get it for $100. I just wanted to sell mine quick and go and buy the new wireless charging case. And then you can get that wireless charging feature still with your old AirPods. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you, and I will definitely be doing some more of these unboxing and reviews. If you haven't already, go check out my other unboxing video. I just snuck a few clips of it in this video too, but also go check out the full video in the link below. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!